Welcome to Scheduley, your time management app. In this video, we will show you how to register and sign in. Let's get started. On the first screen, here you can select the language from the drop-down, then click the Next button. Once you are on the login screen, you can log in if you have an account. If not, click the Register to register a new account. You have 3 types of account options. Select the desired one, like we are choosing a personal account. On the screen, enter all the required details like enter your first and last name. Select the country code from the drop-down. Then enter the mobile number. Select the email domain from drop-down. Then enter the email address. Next, select the date of birth. Lastly, enter the password and confirm it. Click the I agree with term and conditions. Once all the information done, click the Register button. You will receive an OTP on your mobile number. If you do not receive an OTP on your mobile, one more option will appear to you: send OTP on email. Once you receive an OTP, enter the OTP. You have successfully registered the account. Click I agree with term and conditions, then click the Done button. You have successfully created your account with us. Once your account is created, you can log in. Enter the login details, mobile number, and password. If you want to remember password, then click Check the Remember Password option. Then click the Login button. A Scheduley app homepage appear. That's it. You have successfully created an account and signed in. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.